Time is the ultimate luxury in 2026. Not designer bags, not fancy cars. Freedom to spend hours on meaningful activities instead of survival tasks. Wealthy people figured this out years ago. They don't just buy things, they buy back their time. Hey, welcome back to lIHITRO Bank. My name is Adam. How do wealthy people actually buy back time? Housekeepers, meal prep services, virtual assistants, automated systems. They eliminate low-value tasks ruthlessly. If you earn $50 per hour or more, outsourcing $20 per hour work is a no-brainer. Every hour you spend cleaning your house or running errands is an hour you could spend growing your business, learning new skills, or just being with your family. The math is simple, but most people miss it. $100 spent on time saving equals $100 invested in higher value activities. Grocery delivery costs $15. House cleaning runs around $100. Virtual assistants charge $15 to $40 per hour in 2026 depending on location and skills. These aren't expenses. They're investments in your most valuable resource. Research backs this up. Harvard professor Arthur Brooks wrote that spending money on time-saving services is linked to greater life satisfaction. If you pay someone to do something time-consuming that you don't like, you get a happiness boost by spending those extra hours with others. Americans get this. 65% are willing to spend extra money to save time, according to a 2023 Lending Tree survey. Here's the psychology wealthy people understand. Rich doesn't just mean having money. It means having control of your time and the agency to do what you want with it. You can make more money. You can't make more time. Every hour wasted on low-leverage tasks is gone forever. Practical examples that work for anyone. Grocery delivery saves 2 to 3 hours per week. That's $15 well spent. Pre-chopped vegetables for $50 extra per month. If it saves you cooking time and reduces stress, worth it. Babysitter for date night, investing in your relationship pays dividends forever. Virtual assistant handling email and scheduling for $100 per month, you just bought back 10 to 15 hours to focus on revenue-generating work. The calculation is dead simple. If you earn $50 per hour and spend 3 hours per week on tasks someone else could do for $20 per hour, you're losing $90 weekly in opportunity cost. That's over $4,000. Annually, you're leaving on the table. Outsource those tasks and reinvest that time in higher value activities. Client calls, business development, skill building, family time. But here's what most people get wrong. They think they can't afford help. Sethi says money plays a role, but it's not the only role. Everyone can work toward being time rich. Even on tight budgets, you can protect small daily practices. A cup of coffee without screens in the morning. 15 minutes of reading before bed. You don't need thousands of dollars to start. You need intentionality about how you spend your hours. Create a time freedom map. Outline non-negotiable activities you want to prioritize daily, weekly, monthly, seasonally. Daily could be simple. Morning coffee without distractions. Weekly might be date night with your partner. Monthly could be a full day with no obligations. Seasonal might be a long weekend trip. Make a commitment to yourself to keep these activities free of other distractions and obligations. Nobody trips and falls into these things by accident. You have to make them happen. The wealthy understand something crucial. Being trapped in time for money exchange is the real poverty. If your only option is trading hours for dollars, you'll never be free. Buying back time through outsourcing breaks that trap. Virtual assistants in 2026 range from $8 to $60 per hour, depending on skills and location. Offshore talent from Philippines or India runs $8 to $15 per hour. U.S.-based talent starts at $30 per hour. Monthly packages from companies like Wiship start at $12.99 for 40 hours. Money solves being unable to focus on high-leverage activities. When you're drowning in administrative work, you can't think strategically. When you're exhausted from chores, you can't create. When you're stressed about logistics, you can't be present with loved ones. Outsourcing low-value work creates space for high-value living. If this just changed how you think about spending money, to save time. Smash that subscribe button right now. Next week, I'm breaking down exactly which tasks to outsource first and how to find reliable help without wasting money on bad hires. You won't want to miss it. Subscribe, and let's buy back your time together. Let's go.